video is sponsored by DYHair777. Keep watching this video to see me getting their hair installed. Hi everyone, it's Tandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a prepare with me for vacation vlog. Okay, so now it's time for me to get into the actual video. So today is Sunday, and this coming Saturday, we're going to be heading on a flight to Georgia. We're going to be spending some time in Atlanta and then also some time in Savannah. We're going to be gone for 7 days, so that is going to be really exciting. This is my first vacation since the whole pandemic started, and I cannot wait to go on a vacation. But basically in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I get my hair done, get my nails done, pack, and basically anything that has to do with me preparing for this vacation. It's currently 12:45 p.m. At 3 p.m. today, I do have a nail appointment, but before that, I need to take these braids out because I have a hair appointment this Friday, and I don't really want to like undo my hair and like wash my hair after I've gotten these nails done. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my braids now, and then I'm going to wash my hair, and then after that, I'm going to obviously like moisturize my hair, do that whole process, and then head to my nail appointment. Okay, so I just finished taking my braids out, and this is what my hair looks like. Kind of all over the place right now, but basically I'm just going to put some shampoo and wash my hair. Okay, so I finished putting shampoo in my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. Okay, so I just finished rinsing my hair, and this is what it looks like straight out of the shower. So the first thing I'm going to spray on my hair is the Mielle Curl Refreshing Spray. I got this at my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to put my hair into sections and spray this on there. Okay, so I just finished getting my nails done, and this is how they turned out. They're super cute, and I absolutely love them. Okay, so I just came back home from the nail salon, and it was super fun. I got both my hands and my feet done. On my feet, I just got plain white polish, and then on my hands, I just got some ombre dip powder. Y'all already saw them up close in the last clip, but that's pretty much it for today's segment of this video, and I'll catch up with you guys the next time that I do something in preparation for the vacation. Hi everyone! So today is Wednesday, and today is the day that I plan to pack for the trip. So beside me, I have my suitcase, and behind me, I have a bunch of the clothes that I would like to bring. I saw a YouTuber actually use like her Shein bags to like separate her outfits. So like she'd put like her top and bottom in like one Shein bag and then put it in her suitcase. I thought that was like a really cute like hack, because that way I can maximize the amount of space in my suitcase. So I'm definitely gonna try that. I did get a bunch of clothes from Shein the other day, so I do have a lot of bags that I can use to kind of like separate my clothes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bring all of my Shein clothes down, and I'm going to take everything out of the packages. Okay, so I do have a few more clothing items behind me, but chances are y'all have already seen those because I did show them in my summer 2021 like try on haul video. If you guys want to see what these clothes look like on me, I'll definitely make sure to link that video in the description box. So here I have my suitcase, and at the bottom of my suitcase there's like a zipper so you can like put your shoes in the bottom of the suitcase. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. My Birkenstocks are like downstairs. I'm not going to pack them right now just because I wear those all the time, and I still have things to go to before the trip that I probably might want to wear my Birkenstocks for. So I'm not going to pack them just yet, but I am going to pack the heels because I don't really need heels in the next 2 days. So I'm just going to put them here, and I'm going to zip the bottom up Okay, so now I'm going to start packing my actual clothes into this suitcase. Okay, so I'm all done packing my clothes. Well, at least packing like what I can for today. I do have a few clothing items that are still in the washing machine. So once those are done, I'm going to go ahead and pack those in the suitcase. But I think that's it for today's segment of this video. So I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow when I pack my toiletries. Hi guys, so today is Thursday and I basically plan to pack all of my toiletries today, but I'm basically just planning to pack like my jewelry, well it's not really toiletries, but like my jewelry, my like perfume and like lotion, stuff for my hair and my makeup. So this right here is my main toiletry bag. I literally bring it all the time, every time I travel. I've had it literally for years. And in here, I'm going to be packing all of my skincare, hair care, and body care products. And then I'm also going to be bringing this little clear bag for my makeup. Okay, so I'm going to take a break from packing all of my toiletries. I mean, I'm pretty much done for now. All I have to do is like my makeup, but I'm going to go ahead and start packing my jewelry now. Okay, so I'm all done packing away my jewelry. I have all of like the earrings, rings, and like bracelets in these bags, and then I'm just going to bring this card of earrings from H&M. Okay, so now I'm going to start packing my makeup. Okay, so I'm all done packing, at least for today. It is currently 12:42 in the morning, so it is quite late. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and deep condition my hair. I'm going to be using the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner. I'm basically just gonna put this in my hair and then like leave it in overnight and wash it out tomorrow morning. Okay, so I just finished putting the conditioner in my hair. I also put this processing cap on, basically just to trap heat so that my hair gets as much moisture as possible. From here, I'm going to go ahead and sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is Friday, and I just got out of the shower, as y'all can probably tell. I finished deep conditioning my hair, and now I'm going to start like blow drying it. Okay, so I'm all done blowing my hair out, and this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the way that my hair looks when it's blown out. I just love the amount of volume that it gets. But that's pretty much it that I have to film for now, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm about to go to my hair appointment. This video is actually sponsored by DYHair777. I've worked with DYHair777 in the past, and I absolutely love their hair. I plan on getting my hair done for this vacation, and DYHair777 was gracious enough to send me some of their bundles for me to get installed. So this is what the package that the bundles came in looks like. It's this beautiful canvas bag that has DYHair777's logo on the front. When you open the bag, you will notice a cute little card that contains instructions for hair care. And on the back of the card is DYHair777's contact information. So DYHair777 graciously sent me 3 bundles. They sent me a 16-inch bundle, an 18-inch bundle, and a 20-inch bundle. The bundles came nicely packaged in this protective plastic, and they were rolled quite nicely into neat bundles. So the texture of hair that I got is Brazilian body wave, and it was super soft and really bouncy. In the canvas bag, there was also a cute clip for me to put in my hair that said love on it. So now it's time for me to get the hair installed. So the stylist that did my hair is named Bree, and she did an amazing job on it. So to start off, she braided my hair down into some flat cornrows so that the sew-in would lay nice and flat. So this is what the cornrows looked like when she was all done braiding. She did them super neatly, so the sew-in will definitely last really long. After she finished braiding my hair, she started sewing the bundles in. She sewed the bundles in nice and tightly so that they wouldn't begin to loosen. The hairstyle that I chose to get is a traditional sew-in with leave-out, so she only sewed the bundles up to a certain point and left the part to be my natural hair. So here she is unbraiding my natural hair, and then here she is using a wax stick to make my natural hair lie a little bit flatter. So she used a flat iron to blend my hair with the bundles, and she did an amazing job on it. You can barely even tell what is my natural hair and what are the bundles. Just look how easy it was to comb through my natural hair. She continued to use the flat iron to blend the other side of my part with the bundles. And this is what the part looked like when it was done. Look how nice and flat that is. Ugh, I love it. She then demonstrated how versatile the sew-in was. As you guys can see, she was able to braid my hair seamlessly without showing any tracks from the bundles. Then she used a curling iron to add some nice, fluffy, bouncy curls to my hair. After she's done with the curling iron, she then combed out the curls just to give them a little bit more body and volume. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love my hair. Bree did a great job on it. Okay, so I just finished getting my hair done and I absolutely love it. Just like the volume, the slickness, and the way that my natural hair just like blends with the bundles. Like, what leave out. I absolutely love it. Make sure y'all go ahead and book with Bree the Hair Boss. I'll have all of her information linked in the description box down below. I'll definitely be coming back to her. I absolutely love it. Ah! Ooh, guys, I love the hair. Okay, so I'm back home from getting my hair done. I ate dinner and then I changed into comfier clothes. But I absolutely love the way that my hair turned out. It's just so like nice and soft and cute. This hair from DYHair777 is such good quality. Just like the thickness, the texture. This hair is super easy to work with and it's super manageable and it doesn't tangle easily, which is a great added plus. So as far as styling, Bree did use a curling iron to put like curls in the hair, and right now my hair is just down. However, there are many different ways that you can style this hair. This hair is super versatile. One way you can style the hair is putting it into a ponytail. So to do that, all you're gonna need is just like a hair tie, and then I'm just going to slick my hair back with my hand and then tie it into a ponytail. So here I have the hair in a nice ponytail. For more of a slick look, I can keep the hair to the back, but for more of a fun look, I can style the ponytail to the side, which I think is super duper cute. All of the details about this hair will be in the description box down below, as well as a coupon code and a link to DYHair777's website so that you can purchase some of this wonderful, gorgeous, so cute hair for yourself. Thank you so much to DYHair777 for sponsoring today's video. Okay guys, so I'm currently sitting on my bedroom floor and I'm going to start packing my carry-on bag. This is the carry-on bag that I'm taking. It's a brown leather Calvin Klein mini backpack purse. So I'm going to go ahead and start packing it. The first thing that I'm going to bring is my gratitude journal. I've been using this every night just to like write down what I'm grateful for. The next thing that I'm going to be packing is my devotional book. I also read this every night. Next, I'm going to pack some sunglasses. I have two pairs of sunglasses. They're both from Shein. And then I'm going to go ahead and pack my wallet. This is my wallet. It's like a cute little little card holder. And I got this like tea keychain from Hobby Lobby. I really like this keychain. I'm also going to be packing my jewelry in the carry-on bag. So I have, oops, that's my charger. But I have all of these like jewelry bags that I packed yesterday that I'm going to go ahead and put in this carry-on bag, along with this card of earrings from H&M. Next, I'm going to pack this pen for my gratitude journal, and then I'm going to pack this power bank. I'm also going to pack this little charger for the power bank. And speaking of chargers, I'm also going to pack my Apple Watch charger. I need my phone and iPad charger, but I can't pack that just yet because I'm gonna have to use them like tonight. I'm also going to pack this little thing of hand sanitizer. And then lastly, I'm going to be taking this Broadway lip gloss in the shea butter flavor. So that's it. All I have left to pack in here is literally just my camera, my phone, and my iPad, which I'll do tomorrow morning. And just like that, I'm all done getting ready for the vacation. I really enjoyed taking you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get my hair done, my nails done, me packing, and basically everything that went into preparing for this vacation. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!